church still off?
Yeah, she used to be off.
Behind us and shit. Go ahead. Get past this little dirt patch right here. Just tap that bitch. Go ahead.
Just be careful for my baby.
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna play with her. Treat that bitch like a rental. My mom, cause these niggas be driving fucking reckless. Which way do I wanna go? Y'all niggas watch here. Chubby, sliding these turns. You see how the cars is right here, like pulling out in front of me?
Yeah.
Go ahead and break that bitch down real quick. Someone gotta push the brakes. You see how that bitch be stopping automatic? Like, that's what you want to depend on. Like, yeah, still use a little brake, but more so just be ready to hit that bitch, because if you slam on brakes, your car will slide.
Yeah.
But see, the engine already getting broke down, so you're not gonna slide, you feel me? What a good gang, you feel me? We out here. You put a straight down though. Tight shit, you feel me? What the fuck? Hey, nah, keep that shit rolling on my mama. He got me fucked up. We gonna stay right behind his ass. I was finna slide that bit too on my mama. On the curb. That shit crazy. Look at him. He lurking at everything. You know what time it is. He not getting behind. That shit dead, family. On my mama, that shit dead. You gonna let the kid Ross. Hey. Hell yeah, though, man. We sliding in the can. I so appreciate you, man, for the deal. You know, real shit. Not too many people put you behind the wheel, you feel me? Yeah, we out here though. That bitch great.
Shit, I think can't stay straight, goddamn.
Third. Second. Yeah, that shit crazy. Well, I'm sliding in the cat. Hey, look, I already told my mom, I'm sliding in the cat, man. Pause that bit. Yeah, that bitch fire.
He got one for my head I can put on for me. So I'll probably go pick it up today when I touch that.
You gotta get a leg makeup.
Oh yeah.
Your shit.
I was supposed to order a bit last night.
Your shit gonna be hollering.
So I gotta order all that shit before I take my shit to Louisiana.
Damn, what the fuck? Where you gonna rush to go, OG? You flying in that bit? I'm gonna pause y'all. Yeah. just downshift once. You feel me? Because you don't really know how fast you are going. Your gears much on your transmission. Downshift once.
Downshift once to what?
Just downshift to wherever it go to. You feel me? Whatever the speed limit is. And then once you get slow in the speed, you can downshift some more. And if it don't let you downshift, just shift out of it.
Yeah.
That boy sound good coming around the curve. My mama. Speed traffic stopping low. Switching lanes on the air. Gotta get right.
5 o'clock traffic. That nigga a bully on the highway, no bullshit. Y'all better move. That nigga a bully on the highway, no bullshit. Get out here and get out and get back on there.
Split niggas.
No bullshit.
I got that nigga turn on. Let me get out that bed. Straight to QT. Let me get out that bed. Fuck. No way. In the cat on this good ass Monday. Hey, appreciate that boy for letting me slide that bed. I'm on with you. Draw some content over there. Damn.
Bro, how you gonna try to record yourself? I know you ain't gotta worry about me. I'm gonna get out your way.
Oh, I ain't gonna.
I'm just saying. Even if you feel like you can hear me, know I'm gonna get out.
That's what I want to learn. What up?
Put your window down, bro.
YouTube, it is your boy CJ, aka Backstreet, and we back with another video, you feel me? But this is like kind of correlated, kind of not correlated, but you feel me? My boy J-Band shooting a music video in the trenches, so we finna, you feel me? We finna go pop out for this little music video, you feel me? Do something nice, come out, pop out for the city, you know what I'm saying? And go support my dog, so you feel me? Tap into this song, Teach by J-Band, so I'm on. But I'm gonna pick y'all that back up when we get closer to shooting the music video and just get a, you feel me, a little footage of the cars pulling up and shit like that. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe on the game.
What they call it?
in that motherfucking cat, nigga. Nah, it went hard to split his ass. Chuck, you making my ass. Them boy got them motherfucking sticks out. Y'all run that red lights. What it say, bitch? What it say, Clark? Big glow for your bitch. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Nothing but buttons in that bitch. What it say? MSR for your hoe. Fuck.